In this video, you'll learn how to change your bank account on Binance. This process involves accessing your payment methods, removing the old account and adding a new one, ensuring that your banking details are current and accurate for transactions. Begin by logging into your Binance account securely. Once you are on the home page, navigate to the wallet section and select Fire and Spot. This section displays your available balances and transaction history. Look for the payment methods option, which is where all your linked bank accounts are displayed. It is essential to complete your Know Your Customer or KYC verification, as changes to your bank account may require this verification. Remember to only use your personal bank account for transactions. Inside the payment method section, you will see a list of your linked bank accounts. Locate the old bank account that you wish to remove. Next to it, you will find an option labeled Manage or Delete. Click on this option to initiate the removal process. Binance may prompt you to complete a two-factor authentication or 2FA verification for security purposes. Follow the instructions provided to complete this verification step. Once the old bank account is successfully removed, it will no longer be available for deposits or withdrawals. Make sure to confirm the deletion before moving on. After successfully removing the old bank account, the next step is to add your new bank account. Look for the Add Payment Method button and click on it. From the options presented, choose Bank Transfer. You will need to enter your new bank details accurately, including your account number and the account holder's name. It is crucial that the name you enter matches exactly with the name on your Binance KYC profile to avoid any discrepancies. Once you have filled out the required information, submit it for processing. In some cases, Binance may require verification of your new bank account. If this is necessary, follow the prompts to complete the verification process. After your new bank account is approved, it will become active and ready for use. It is advisable to test the new bank account with a small transaction first to ensure everything is functioning correctly and that the funds are transferred without issues. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.